November rain, I have to buy a new umbrella, and this is my opinion about the rainy season. I love rain, smell fresh and everything looks green. It's not a thunderstorm rain. I love the noise of pouring rain outside. Heavy intense rain that causes floods, soaked through layer of non-water repellent clothes, and generally wasn't the grip to be out in. But when you were indoors listening to these fat drops of water better on the roof, it was really relaxing and awesome, man. I love rain. Happy to see my yard's green. It's not a thunderstorm rain. It's a good time with you. We're gonna dancing in the rain. Dancing in the rain. Aha, but wait, I ever stopped by the rain on my way to my office, and my boss was angry to me and just blame the rain. Just blame the rain. I was wet, I was late. I was wet, I was late. Don't blame the rain. Today there is an intense rainstorm when I'm going to take the bus to work. The sidewalks turn into rivers, rendering my umbrella useless. And right now I'm still soaked from the tip of my toes to my knees. But man, that didn't affect my love for the rain. Sure, it is way more enjoyable when I'm actually stay indoors. Anything that stops even momentarily the scorching sun and the unbearable heat of my city is my friend. Enjoy the rain, yeah. Shake it, honey. It's rain. It's cool and fresh. I love rain. Kids love rain too. Showering in the rain. Happily get wet in the rain. Crazy frog. It's like a frog. Jump into fresh water happily and singing after the rain. Rabbit, 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 rabbit. Oh damn, I love that sound. Heavy rainfall can lead to numerous hazards, flooding including waste to human life, damage to buildings and infrastructure, and loss of crops and livestock, landslides which can threaten human life, disrupt transport and communication, and cause damage to buildings and infrastructure. Oh shit, it's horrible one. That's as a result of global warming effect. I'm speechless. I love rain and the most enjoyable season to enjoy my hot chocolate. And Lucky I'm jobless during this rainy season, man. Oh shit.